This pink cordless drill actually works really well in the color. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this color. It is the prettiest bubblegum pink. It is so fun for a drill. It's got the extension bit. They're like little tiny spines, and you can just shape them in all different directions. And then screw. So yeah, I mean, it's got great power to it. It comes with a lot of different pieces, and so this is a great starter kit, especially for the price. There's a little leveler bubble on the top of it. It comes with an extra little piece in there. The battery seems to hold a good amount of power. The charger is really light, which is different, but I mean, you know, it works, so I guess that's what matters. The quality of the bits, it's good quality. I mean, it's like legit steel. So. These little guys, there's a whole bunch of these. They got little numbers on them. Good quality as well. Nice sharp little tips. So yeah, I definitely could highly recommend this drill for sure. I mean, for the price, it's honestly pretty great.